Hi, it's Tony with the Tony Z team. I'm here with my dog Biscuit. We're at 19081 69th Avenue here in the heart of Clayton. This 3-story home features 3 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, has a backlane access and parking on both sides of the street in the front. It has been updated top to bottom. The downstairs features a separate entrance. Let's go take a look.